What's up, YouTube? This your boy Sneakerhead Quan. I'm back at y'all with another video. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Flint 13s OG. Okay, box read: Air Jordan 13 Retro, Navy, size 9.5. We'll start from the midsole. It's like a mesh. This is the navy blue on it. University blue Jumpman. Gray on the midsole. It's a suede. On the bottom you get your carbon fiber. Your Jumpman. And this like your panther paw on the 13s. Your shoe tree, it's a half size different. 9.5. No lot number on the box. It's a lot number right there on the box. Get your white paper. Here your size tag. 9.5. These were produced October through February 2020. Sure everything match on them. The other pair. And it got 9 and 9.5 shoe tree, so that's match. So you know you have an official pair from Nike. Yep, and shoe tree reads the same thing. Room number 13, right there. Okay. You have your panther eye with the Jumpman in it, and 23. But the crazy thing about it on my last video, when I say it was so many people like coming to get these shoes, you had like older people, young people. It was just everybody like. I guess cause like it's an OG shoe, and this shoe ain't been out since 2010. That's the last time they retroed this shoe. And when they retroed in 2010, they didn't have the 3M lighting on it. I will show you a video right here with the 3M lighting on it. It didn't have that. I like it. It's a clean shoe. I like it. Let's see what else. Anything else I'm missing? Anything? White shoelaces. Come in, white shoelaces. This got like that tumble leather. Like very soft leather, plush leather. And on GOAT, the prices on these shoes like done went up a lot. Like these shoes, I think I'll put a screenshot up so y'all see the pricing of these shoes on GOAT now. They went up a lot. And then y'all need to follow me on my Instagram, which will be linked in the description below. Cause if I come up on an extra pair somewhere, I would like put it on my Instagram story and like sell them to y'all. So that's why y'all need to be on my Instagram. So y'all be missing out on them deals when y'all not on my Instagram. Okay, but this is a very white shoe, so I know it'll get dirty easy. So I have my secret product that I use on all my shoes, which is a video I did before. I'm gonna link that video somewhere too, that I did before. And I told y'all they're a very good product. I sprayed on all my shoes, and I'm gonna spray it on these right now, so y'all get ready. And it is Rejuvenated. Great product. I love this product. And I'm gonna spray it on these shoes. You don't want to be that guy walking around with dirty shoes. Okay? And let it sit for about 15 minutes. You really need it, because like the soles on these shoes get dirty so quick. They will get dirty so quick, so you really need these. As soon as you take it out the door, they're gonna get dirty. But that's been my review on the Flint 13s OG. If y'all don't see it on feet, these gonna get sold if the price is right. But if y'all don't see it on feet coming up next, after this video drop, and y'all don't see it on feet, these gonna get sold. So this been your boss Sneakerhead Quan. I bring y'all the Flint 13 OG. I'm here, I'm there, and I'm gone.